I want to share some with you guys today. It's very special to me. It's part of the real me. And if you're easily shocked, easily offended, can't handle shock art, can't handle real art, can't handle the real world, I advise you, turn it off, go somewhere else. A lot of you know me for doing abstracts with tape or designer pieces, but this is what makes me my bread and butter, and I wanted to share it with you guys today. And this is the real me, no bullshit. This is what got me in the map. This was got me in every country, in every state, more than twice, 3 times at least. I sell nationwide, worldwide, and it got me in many, many fine collective galleries across the United States. And it pays my bills, guys. But the most important reason I'm doing this video is because I want to encourage all young artists, I don't care what kind of artist you are, to be the best that you can be and be fire, baby. Do everything with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your might, and no slacking, okay? No slacking. I don't want to see that. I want to see you give 110%. Okay, so like I said, that being said, let's get on with this painting. It's called The Man of the Hour. Hang on, guys. This is going to be a wild ride. I picked out this soundtrack here. Hope you enjoyed. I think it's going to go really good with this piece. Like I said, if you're easily offended, can't handle stuff like this, turn away, because we're ready to rock and roll. Do this! I want you guys to do 110%! Get fired up! You can do this!